So the Telegram Signal Copier version 5.4 has already been there for a couple of months now, and traders across the world have gradually accepted our new updates. However, let's move straight into what's new in version 5.4 rather than spending time on what our copier already does well. What's changed in TSC 5.4? Well, if you ask what changed actually, the answer is this update came up with two such features that help traders better understand what's happening behind the scenes, while also adding smarter controls during uncertain market conditions. Signal History Dashboard. One of the most important additions in TSC 5.4 is the Signal History Dashboard. This feature provides a structured and easy-to-read record of all copied signals directly inside the system, which removes the need to rely on raw log files or manually track activity. Previously, traders had to scroll through Telegram messages or technical logs to understand what happened. Now, the dashboard clearly shows which channel sent a signal, the exact time it was received, and how the copier processed and executed it. Because all signal activity is stored in one centralized location, reviewing performance becomes far more practical. Traders can compare results across different signal providers, observe execution timing, and understand how the system behaves under different market conditions. Over time, this level of visibility helps traders make better decisions and brings more structure to automated signal copying. Advanced News Filter. In addition to improved visibility, TSC 5.4 introduces an advanced news filter that addresses one of the most common risks in automated trading. Major economic events such as interest rate decisions, inflation reports, or central bank statements often create sudden volatility, which can make blind automation risky. With this update, traders gain the ability to define clear rules around news-based execution. The system allows signal copying to pause around important events, enables protection for specific currencies, and provides control over how long trading remains disabled before and after the news release. As a result, automation follows predefined safety logic rather than reacting unpredictably during volatile market conditions. How these updates work together. What makes TSC 5.4 particularly effective is the way these two updates complement each other. The Signal History Dashboard focuses on visibility and accountability by helping traders understand what has already happened. At the same time, the Advanced News Filter focuses on prevention by reducing exposure during high-risk periods. Together, these features create a more balanced automation experience. Traders are able to execute signals efficiently while also maintaining clarity and protection. This combination transforms Telegram Signal Copier into a more disciplined and structured system rather than a simple hands-off execution tool. So share your thoughts with us and let us know if you have any say or question about our latest copier version. See you on the next one.